How Cad Outsourcing can help in reducing project costs. Are you taking care of the whole process of projects? From meeting with clients, layout design, Cad drafting? Are you lacking human for current projects? Are you facing a deadline? Most small and medium enterprises have to face the above problems. To solve these problems, business owners often hire more employees equipped with computers, software, offices, insurance, taxes, parking, and many other costs. And yet, new employees need to be trained at least 3 to 6 months to be able to understand your workflow. To deal with those matters, why don't you outsource your business to another partner such as a civil engineering outsourcing provider who can help you do non-core tasks while you and your key members focus on core activities? Let's consider your long-term development in your company. After choosing a qualified partner to outsource your work, you and your key members do only tasks below. 1. Spend time to do markups so the outsourcing team can understand what needs to be changed. 2. Build up quality control checklist. If you have already, that would be great. Quality is the most important factor with us. 3. Build up library including templates, details, notes, styles for next projects. Your daily workload will greatly reduce when outsource your works to a Cad drafting outsourcing provider. You also get complete benefits of outsourcing, such as reducing human resource costs, saving working office costs, saving money from infrastructure investments, having quick turnaround time, working on multiple projects at the same time. Especially, outsourcing services allow you to use engineering resources whenever you need and only pay whenever you have projects. If you are keen to find out more about how our firm can support you to complete your projects, contact us today.